share your flaws with me, let me know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, my life-size Barbies and Kims? It's your girl, Petite Alici, and I'm back with another hitter. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be turning a sweatshirt into a two-piece set. Before we get into the good stuff, you know the dealio. I want to talk to you about my new Petite Alici merch that'll be available at petitealici.com. I have purple, colorful, and of course pink, because pink is my favorite color. If you are interested in buying any of these t-shirts, go ahead and check out my website. I will link it down below, petitealici.com. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time I post another lit fashion video. And let's just go ahead and get straight to it. So first, as you can see, I started off with an oversized green zip-up hoodie sweatshirt that I got out of the men's section in Goodwill. This was on sale for 50 cents. As many of my other pieces from many of my other videos, I have been seeing a lot of videos where these girls turn these button-up t-shirts or any t-shirt into like a two-piece set, so I really wanted to try it myself. So of course I watched a few YouTube videos before I decided to, try this on my own, and it looked pretty simple and easy, and it actually was very easy. So come on, let's just go ahead and get to it. So what I ended up doing is I ended up marking with a safety pin where I wanted my shirt to crop, where I wanted to fall on my stomach, and I ended up cutting it across that line. And I'm going to start with the shorts because it was a difficult part, and I felt like it was going to take more time for me to do this, but it was actually easy breezy. But what I did here was I made sure the fabric was lined up, well, not perfectly actually. I tried, keyword hint on tried, to make sure the fabric was lined up perfectly, but I did it to the best of my ability and it ended up turning out fine. So I lined up the fabric as best as I could, and then I grabbed a pair of shorts that I liked how they fit. Does that make sense? I grabbed a pair of shorts that fitted the way that I wanted these shorts to fit. And I folded them in half and I put it on top of the fabric, and then I ended up cutting around the backside of the shorts, cutting out a pattern, and then I flipped the fabric over in half and I cut around the same thing. Once you flip it open, it's like this little weird shape. I don't know how to explain the shape. It's a shape, you know what I'm saying. Okay, after I cut the fabric, and I ended up flipping the fabric inside out, lining it back up right, and then I pinned the sides of the shorts where I cut it, and to make sure it was even. And then I went to the sewing machine and I sewed around that little loop-de-loop part that I cut out on both sides. And as you can see, this is how it turned out. And then at this part, you find the middle of your shorts, middle of where this shape, and then you pull it. You pull it from the inside like a little flip thing. Terrible I explained it. So, but you can see in the clip, I'm more of a visual person than a word person. What? Okay, yeah, and as you can see, you see the shape of the shorts. You see it all come together, sis. I ain't gotta explain it. But yeah, and then you see there's the crotch area that you need to sew, or else you're gonna have like a free crotch. I just did a line across the little triangular shape that was hanging out, and boom. For the top part of the shorts, I ended up cutting out a piece of elastic band that fitted around my waist. I went ahead and pre-measured it to make sure it fit snug around my waist the way that I liked it. And pretty much how I crop all my other sweaters and t-shirts, you fold the elastic band within the fabric and make sure it has enough room to sit in the fabric, and a little bit of excess room so that you can sew the ends of it and leave like a little opening on the inside for the elastic band to go through. And I did this, I sewed all the way around. did not close it. I left it open so I could have room to actually put the elastic band in it. So I took the elastic band, took my safety pin, clipped it on there, and I shoved it through the little tunnel that I created on the short. That's my noise that I make as I'm doing something on a video and I can't explain it more than I've explained it, but there's like still a clip going on, and this is just me talking for no reason. And yeah, so I eventually ended up getting all the way through, and they turned out cute. But hold up, I'm just gonna show you what I did with the top before I show you the whole set together. But honestly, you already seen the set because I was wearing it in the beginning, and I'm such an idiot. So with the hoodie was what is this? The sweater? It's not a hoodie because it doesn't have a hood, but the little zipper crop top shop drop hot I'm sorry. But yeah, that part was so easy. It's pretty much what I did with the top of the shorts. I ended up folding up the fabric, leaving place for the elastic band, leaving the little tunnel, not sewing it all the way. And this is how the piece ended up turning out, guys. As you already saw in the beginning. This outfit really surprised me because I don't know if y'all know, I'm a beginning sewer. I just started learning how to sew maybe like 3 weeks ago, and I haven't even been consistent. And I'm surprising myself, you know, with the sewing skills and how awesome this outfit turned out. I love it so much. I'm probably gonna do this a lot, over and over and over and over and over again, because I love 2-piece sets, and for me, I would be fine. But then the bottom will be too big because I'm so small, and it's like, what about me? I'm glad that I'm able to make this, you know, and then I only pay 50 cents for it. Like, you can't beat that. So yeah, but this is the only piece that I did for this project. I will definitely do more in the next video. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, even though it was a really short and simple one. And maybe you can go ahead and try this for yourselves. Or if you're interested in having me do it for you, you can definitely email me at the email is listed below and send me your piece, and I could do it for you. More practice will make me better, and it will be my pleasure just to make you happy and save you money from having to buy sets or having, you know, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Don't forget to buy Petite Alici merch, you guys. It's available at petitealici.com. My logo represents Black queens, us fighting against mental health, us fighting against spiritual issues, everything that we face as Black people, as Black women, from being discouraged, from statistics not being on our side, from the feeling of not being able or the feeling of not being treated equal, the pain of all Black women, and for us to just remember who we are despite a society that tries to blend us in and a society that tries to tell us that we're not good enough. That we are always meant to stand out, and that we are queens and kings at heart until we die. Facts. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below anything, you know, hey girl, bye girl, what girl, yes girl. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And until next time, with your girl Petite Alici, stay beautiful, stay blessed, peace.